Kelly. Welcome to my art channel. If you're new here, love to have you subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. So this is the September challenge for the Little Pouring Art family. We do a challenge every month. Anybody can join. It's our Facebook group. I'll link it in the description below. So we just come up with ideas for each month. One person gets picked, then they come up with an idea, and then whoever wants to do it, even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can put a Facebook, Instagram, whatever type of social media you have or use. If you just want to put a picture on Facebook, that's perfectly fine too. And we just have fun. It's all just about trying different techniques and learning from each other. So this is a technique that I've never done before. So this is the dustpan pour. I've always wanted to try it, I just never got around to it. So this was a perfect opportunity, and it was any 3 colors, any technique. I mean, well, obviously the dustpan pour, but any technique inside the dustpan pour. I'm going to do it on, it was any size canvas, so I'm going to do it on a 12 by 12 canvas. I always tape the backs of my canvases because I'm kind of crazy about how it looks on the back. And I am going to do just primary colors in a flip cup on my dustpan and then put it on the canvas. So my base will be white, and I'll be using the Ready Mix Pour paint. So I'm doing bright blue, I'm doing bright yellow, and I'm doing bright red. So those are the colors we're gonna be using. So much fun. And I think I'll put a little of the metallic white in as well to get a little shimmer if I can. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna speed this part up for you guys so you don't have to watch me flood the canvas. I'm just gonna put a little bit of paint on here to get it started. Okay, so sorry about the creaky floor. My no, my torch is empty. I have my studio out in a shed. It's a 10 by 12 shed outside, and I just noticed that it's like got a creaky floor. So every time I move around, you guys are hearing. This little hair is being so difficult there. All right, I'm just gonna do a dirty cup with those same colors. I'm gonna do a little bit of white. Gonna do some blue. Do some yellow. Red. That should be enough paint. So I'm going to put a little bit of my Artist Loft Flow acrylic down here just to give it something to slide on. Like I said, I've never done this before, so this could be an epic fail. I think I need a different dustpan too, one without this big giant lip on it. We'll see. All right, so I'm gonna do a flip cup. Next weekend, the 18th and 19th of September, I am going to be at a festival. It's called Treasure Fest. It's in Marin County, California. It is at the Marin Civic Center. So if you guys are in the neighborhood and you know or you live close by, come say hi. You'll see something you like. All right, here we go. Oh, that's a lot of paint. That cup. All right, like I said, this is my first time. Let's give it a whirl. Hopefully I don't end up with a muddy mess. I think I want to go from there down to here. Dark. The yellow is over here. It didn't really come out. Maybe I'll do another pour across there. Let's see. Look at those primary colors. They just, everything is like the blues and the red and the yellow, they turn green and purple. A little bit of orange in there. Love it. So you guys will see, I dripped a little bit of my Clorox wipes, the liquid onto my painting, and it's working like almost like a silicone. Let's get that off. Dustpan though. How pretty is that? That would have been pretty. Tell me what you guys think. I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay, here's the wet results. It actually is kind of cool looking. I'm digging all the psychedelic colors here. And I like how it turned out blue and green, because is really my colors. And look at that shimmer. That's just from that metallic white. So that's pretty. I'm glad I added that. Got a little bit of cells reacting there. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to try this again, but with some different colors. That was fun though, using those primary colors. I hope you guys like this video. I will show you the dried results in a minute.